right. What's up? It's your boy Ed Live with the Mobcast in Antioch, California. I got my man Justin with me, a.k.a. Justin Time. He about to tell us about his badass 64 Nova.
That's my baby, right?
So tell us about your baby.
It's actually a 65.
Okay.
She a four-door. She had an inline six in it. We pumped her up to a 327 with a 4-barrel. Got the original Power Glide, 2-speed transmission in it.
Okay.
She all original interior.
Okay.
All original gas, all original head, everything original.
Original. I like
All
that.
Besides the motor and the beat. Because you know we like big things.
Yeah.
We like nice things. So
That's right.
we got the 327, we got 15s in the back.
Oh, shit.
We rocking.
What's under hood?
Yeah, a 327.
Let me see
Let me
it.
see that 327.
Let me see it.
327, y'all, under hood. Ooh, got the Mickey Thompson valve covers on here.
4-barrel double pumper. You know what I'm saying? We trying. We just started. We trying. We brand new. You know what I'm saying? But
Is that a 2-barrel or 4?
4-barrel.
4-barrel?
We just replaced the transmission today.
Ooh.
We got it out here just so we can come out to hang out with y'all. You feel
Right.
me?
Yeah.
We got it out here just to hang out. You feel me?
Who do all your work with?
My boy Kim. He actually brought my Black Cuddy over here.
Okay.
He do great work, bro. He like, we did it all together, a family project. I even tried to pay the homeboy, and he was like, all love.
I love that.
All
Start it up. Start it up.
We gotta hear this 327. We gotta hear this 327. I love this, man. I love the Raleighs on it.
Yep.
I love this original paint.
All original, bro.
And I love the seats in here. My man, the pass right here. Oh, that 327. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Y'all hear that?
327. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That 327 sounds good, man.
All of a sudden,
All the 15 pounds.
all of a sudden.
He got slapped.
Turn the 15s on for y'all.
Okay. Okay, this my type of guy. He got the music. He got the slap. He all original. I like that. I like that.
All original.
Yeah.
4-door Nova. Y'all hearing that 327 purring, baby?
Yeah.
Y'all about to hear them 415s, them 15 slap for y'all. My man's doing his thing right here. Oh, we got the little donut man right here.
Come here.
We got my little buddy right here. That's the
give me
donut
five.
man right there.
Give me 5.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh, he's giving it back.
Oh, he's driving. Let me see
He's
him.
ready to mob. He's ready to mob. Yeah. He's ready to mob. I like that.
You hear it?
Oh, let me see. Oh, you want me to fill the trunk?
Fill it,
You want me to
He
fill the
stopped
trunk?
the music.
I got you.
He said fill the trunk.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we got all the little kids. He said he wants us to fill the trunk. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We got you ready?
We been ready.
Yeah. I like that.
They hit the DJ and tell him when they ya back.
Oh, we about to
Hey.
get fill the trunk now. Let's fill the trunk. Oh, we about to-
Hey, we be like,
Oh, yeah. Come on,
Y'all gotta dance. Go. Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about right here. That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh.
No, guys.
He all certified too. He all certified too.
thank you guys so much.
Yeah. Woo.
My little man right here is Mobb certified, baby.
Give him a sticker.
Mobb certified. Yeah, Mobb certified. That's you. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Right out, Justin. Thank you, man. Badass ride, man. Badass ride. He gonna tell you all about it.
Perfect. Thank you.